Hi guys. Oh, I'm out of breath because I left my camera in my apartment and had to run back up to get it. It's family weekend here, even though my white coat ceremony is not till January. This is when all the white coat ceremonies are going on and everything. So my mom came down anyways, and we're going hiking to the Waterfalls today, and to this restaurant that I really like. It's called the Creole Shack. It's in town. So that's what I'll be showing you today. So my mom's already down the hill, so heading there. Taking some local buses, so I'll show you that. And yeah. Okay, we're down here at the market, I guess. My mom is being a tourist. And so we're walking over to the Creole Shack so we can eat before we go to hiking and everything. So I have an idea of where it is. I'm not exactly sure. I think it's above this grocery store. It is, so. Come on. Excuse me. So there's a grocery store that sits below it. There's a line. So they have like authentic Caribbean food here, a mix of everything. I'm a fan of Piccadilly. I don't know if any of y'all know what that is, but basically it's like you just go through the line and you pick out the food that you want. But here it's like really cheap. It's not like a set amount that you get. You choose your meat if you want meat. Your sides has salads, has breads, and it's pretty much like whatever you want for $6. So I'll show you when I get up there. Okay, we're finally almost up here. Finally, it was a long wait, but this place is like really popping. Can I get green beans and carrots? You get them. The carrots. And then what are those back there in the back? What are those? Chickpeas. Oh, can I get some of those? And then the baked chicken. And that's it. I don't really know what all these others are. That's the little cold salads and stuff. And yeah. Then they also sell cake and stuff. So for about $14 US, we got all of this, drinks included. I really don't know how much the plates come down to, but yeah, it's really good. And then it overlooks the water, which the camera's not really focusing on. But yeah. Okay, we're coming up to the bus terminal now. So the buses here have like numbers. I guess it's like that in America, but it's only like 1 through 8 here. So we're getting a 6 bus, which will take us to the waterfall. So this is the bus depot right here. And no, you pay once you get there. I don't know if there's any order to it. Oh, 8. 7. It's up there because these are 7. You see, you gotta. I never rode the bus before. Yeah, buses are vans here. They don't have any buses. We came to the 6 really quick. So it says 6 up there. This one's full. So we have to wait for another one, I guess. We're on the bus now. It's really quiet, but we got all in the back. Oh yeah, we're good. So we're on the way now. And now we have to walk because I believe there is an entrance fee. There's some type of fruit tree right there. My mom is making her own video narration. This looks fun. I love stuff like this. You know, I'm from Georgia, which we have like the Appalachian Mountains up there, but no one in my family ever wants to go hiking. So, you know, now that I'm here, I can do those things. So whenever anyone comes to visit me, we can go hiking. Yeah. Hopefully we won't have to stop every minute like my mom. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. You okay?
Yeah, there's just great.
There's more mud. Don't slip. Huh? Well, there were a lot of people on the little sign-in sheet. I think they just do it to, you know, keep track of how.
Did they sign in today?
Yeah. Ooh, this is interesting. What, climb back up?
Yeah.
You not about this life?
I guess they could have put steps in.
It turns into steps down here. I said it turns into more steps down here. Luckily it's not super hot because it's like, I don't know, it's like it was hot earlier, but it's the rainy season right now, so it's like frequent overcast and everything. Sorry, I'm trying to see where the microphone is. I see one, just so I don't touch it. Please don't fall, because if you fall, I'll laugh. Then I'll see if you're okay.
Yeah, how you gonna get me from back?
I don't know. I go run up there and get the ambulance. I'm sure they wouldn't have this walking trail like this if there were poison ivy. And I don't think that's a tropical ivy, but hey, I could be wrong. So where we're hiking to, it's called Seven Sisters Waterfalls, which is part of Grenada's national park that they have here, called Grand Etang. I could totally be pronouncing it wrong because I've never been here, but off my research and reading signs, that's what I've seen. So, but this is the entrance for the waterfall, though.
I know, but
because what it is well, no, because what it is you get to the main one, and from the main one you walk down. So if you were to start somewhere else, you might not be guaranteed to get to them, because there's different hiking trails through here. So we passed the actual entrance to the park on the way here, but we had to come on down to the waterfall park, because I think there's hiking where you'll see like maybe the rivers or the lakes and stuff. I'm just stopping right here. There's some people coming up. Okay. You're getting somewhere. Oh, there's somewhere else that you can go up. We've got to two forks in the roads now, and I'm just really confused on which way we're supposed to go. I mean, I guess it's one of those like you're on your own, but the water is right over there. Yeah, because you have to get to the first waterfall. That wasn't a waterfall over there. Ah! What?
Something flew into me hard.
Oh, there's the waterfall. It's saying danger coming from this way. There's the waterfall. It's mud and water through here. Your feet are gonna sink down in the water. They did. I have on tennis shoes and they're dirty now. Can you cross?
What?
To get over there.
I thought you walked and you end up over there. Maybe there's something wrong.
Well, maybe if we had walked up the side. Well, you don't think you can cross over? Here, hold this and I'll see if it's crossable. So we're finally here. That's the second waterfall over there, which we might go to. But since you won't be able to hear me when I put you in this case, I just wanted to let you know this is the first of 7. I don't think we're going to see all 7, but we're leaving the water area. I don't have on a shirt because I'm trying to dry off. There's mud. Yes, I remember. I recall. Oh, my swim shoes. What? I have swim shoes that don't drain. They're cheap. So, huh?
But he said they walked up and it did down. The other couple.
Oh, I feel all the mud in my shoes. I must drain it. Well, that concludes my video today. Yeah. We're at the, not the end of the tour, because there's still like the 35-minute hike back and it's all uphill. But that's the end of this video. And yeah, remember to subscribe. Watch my other videos. We didn't come from that way because that's the thing up there. Watch my other videos, etc., etc. Thanks.